Hello everyone, in this video we'll be seeing how to add fun backgrounds to your lettering with your water-based brush pen. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So for this technique that I'm going to show you, you need a watercolor paper, a plastic sheet, and your favorite brush pens, a bottle of water, preferably a sprayed bottle. And the most important thing is tissues. So probably you would have already seen this technique a lot. However, there are a few things which you need to keep in mind. If you want, you can letter your word after you're done with the background, but I prefer to have a base laid out so that I know where the word or the quote is going to be, and I can focus my background around the word. So let's start. I am going to keep a scrap piece of paper underneath so that it doesn't mess up anything. Pick your favorite colors, preferably ones which will go well together and blend well together. So I'm going to use these three colors, and you can start by scribbling it around. So now we'll spray some water over it. Now, things you need to take care of is do not add too much of water. We need enough amount of water to just dampen this color, and a little amount of water for smudging it around, but do not add too much of water all over it. And you need to ensure that every pigment has water in it. You can take your word and place it over, and you can flip it over so that you can see, and then you just dab it a little. If you feel it's not going and mixing along, press it a little harder. You can also flip it and add some more water. And if there's not enough water, it will start showing up in soil, like it doesn't smear so well. So you need to take care of the amount of water you add. Alright, so now we're going to pick this up. Be careful while doing it. You do not want to mess up. And you need to pull it out immediately because there's a lot of color on the sheet. And flip it. You can still dab it around if you want, but first, using a tissue paper, remove the excess color here. So this extra that's there, you can still go around and dab it, or it gives a beautiful texture to it. So places where you feel you can add some more color, you can dab the droplets over it. So I am not so sure if you can see, but you can have a faint idea of your word if you can see it somewhere in here. So this will help you trace back over your letter. Let's try another color combination. Here I am not spreading color all around, just the place where I have my word, and then it looks like splatters around. This time we are going to pick up the plastic sheet from the center. So pick up all the four corners and remove the color that's flowing around. So in the previous step we had the color smudged all around till the end, and I had pulled out the plastic sheet from the bottom, so there was color all over it. But here I made it look like a splatter of paint all around, and to get this you have to pull up the plastic sheet from the center so that the color doesn't go anywhere around. Alright, so now we're gonna finish our lettering over this once it's completely dry. Alright, so this is the final look of both the words with the fun background. Also, you can letter them with black or colors of your choice. Use metallic paints over it, it will look really pretty. Like paints like golden color will look very pretty on this background. So yeah, you can start exploring different colors of backgrounds and different mediums to write over it. And yeah, so that's it from my end today. Hope you guys had fun, and yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a great day ahead.